where eagles soar. Sunset paints the coastline, we keep wanting more. Salt spray on our faces as the breakers roar. This untamed paradise is what we live for. Coffee Bay whispers, secrets in the dawn. Tracks we blaze will linger when we're gone. Wild coast adventure, souls untamed and free, where the ocean writes our wildest destiny. From Dumby shores to Belungulas high, we ride the wind and dance with firelight.
Radian.
Hammocks sway neath milkwood trees so old. Stories in the footprints where the tides unfold. Bright smoke rising as the stars ignite. This is how we measure life just right. No clocks, no walls, just horizons wide. Every sunset turned, every mile we ride. Wild coast adventure, souls untamed and free, where the ocean writes our...
reckoned with your darkest fears, but don't pretend the devils disappeared. Rainbow stars rising from the thunderstorm. Oh, my falling star, sparkling from afar. Said I could smell the shore, the place where we belong. The journey just begun, around in the sun. The place where we belong. Said I could smell the shore, the place where we belong. The journey just begun, around in the sun. Feel you free, the sound loud of heaven, your soul revered, our island in the sun. Rainbow skies rising from the thunderstorm. Oh, my falling star, sparkling from afar. Said I could smell the shore, the place where we belong. Said I could smell the shore, the place where we belong. The journey just began, around in the sun.
Riding through the eastern cape where the wild winds blow. Dirt bikes kicking sardines glow. Rolling hills and vistas paint the sky so wide. Dramatic drops where sea and earth collide. Wild coast adventures where the free hearts run. Adventure before dementia.